Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I'm a little bit confused. Somebody sent me this. This is a screenshot I took. They sent me a video of what they're trying to do, which is great. And next time for him and whoever, send me the Corel file just like that too. I redrew it pretty close. I don't, he wants to make a smooth transition along the top of this, but he's starting way over here, going to the middle. I did it two different ways. One, I just did a slope line, so it's not the height in the middle. And then in here, I just did a little bit of a slope, but we're going to do it maybe more like this. And this is symmetrical. The box on top is symmetrical. So I'm going to take my 3-point curve line and I'm going to go right to the midpoint. And then I'm going to go to that edge. And then I'm going to go like right there. And I did pretty good. I mean, I'm right on the line. You could actually take your shape tool and tweak it a little bit, maybe get it right on that line. Now, to make it equal and even, let's hit the plus key on the keyboard and mirror it the other direction. Now, I'm on that edge, so I can take my four-sided cross and put it on that edge, and now everything's equal. I've actually got a little bit of a dimp in the middle, which I don't like, so before we go any further, let's fix that. Let's just get rid of that second line, and let's grab this one with the shape tool, and let's actually add a node right there, so we can kind of get it right on that. It's kind of hard. I don't know exactly what he's trying to do. We're going to bring this up a little bit. Can't really tell if I've got a dip now or not. I'm going to delete that. Well, yeah. So I'm pretty even all the way across. So what I would do now is Control D to duplicate or hit your plus key and mirror it. And the luxury of being symmetrical is you could put this right here. Now we're not done. Let me make sure I'm on that. Nope. So I'm going to grab it with the four-sided cross and move it to that node. Now for just a second, I'm going to move our box out of the way. Now that's not perfect, but if you will take this and weld it, it'll actually make it all one line. But we need to look at it with the shape tool, and these nodes aren't together, so we're going to grab that, go up here and join the two nodes because we just need one. Now you can kind of see that the arrows are going left to right, which is pretty good. Now we're going to do text to path. I'm actually going to make this bigger so we can tell that it does go along the edge. Now this is symmetrical and the same length. So if we go to text to path and put it on our path, when we hit that red line right in the middle, we're in the middle of the graphic. Now grab it all, go up to object, break the text apart, and we can get rid of our line. And now we can nudge this back. And well, we're a little bit off. Did I not? Okay, somehow I nudged that up, but we can fix that. Let's change this to like 0.01. Let's zoom in a little bit. Grab our line and just nudge it down. If you hold down the shift key, your nudge will go faster. And there we go. Now I would move this, I'd change this back to 10 inches, and I would move this out of the way so the text to path doesn't get confused. Text to path, put it on there until when you get that red line, that means it's centered. Then we'll go, you've got to almost select it all and go up to object, break text apart. Let's get rid of our line. And then we can nudge this back up. And that's about it. I'm hoping that's what he wants to do. If not, he'll let me know. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.